Stop by and take a look at the 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortex 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, power passenger seat, heated seats, Bose sound system, traction control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, XM satellite radio, running boards. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.